At Autobot Academy, the future of EV learning isn't just arriving, it's evolving. For 8 years, Autobot Academy has been at the forefront of building India's first electric vehicle hands-on hub, empowering students, industry, and professionals. 2024 marked the completion of our pilot phase for our skill, employability, and capability development courses and programs, as well as EV Technology Learning Center, EVTLC, setting the stage for a bigger, bolder mission green learning in 2025. We're creating a platform for you and your future EV career, bridging skill gaps, driving innovation, and fueling the EV revolution. Together, let's power the future. Here's to a greener, brighter 2025.